toigore bikao eseng'encho konye nigo tore ase omotimoko ogoro kwe recess twabeire site ya chiwiki isato ntwomeranete igoro ase eng'encho ya okobanga ng'aki togocha rero muna momanyete ntwatwara chigroup ang'e ibere mochimanyete chia mashinani iga but rende nyasaye natokonya igoro twachete amo twensi bari konya bare mashinani na intwe togakora egento igoro goika mkunchi koigwana ng'aki rero tware koigora ebikao so ntwacha ntutwacha kawaida toigora ebikao lakini ntwanyora ng'a bari bande baminto konya bare bunga mashinani naende mbacheti so nabo twakumisana ng'aki batacha lakini rende ntwagendereria ebikao bitu buna kawaida naende biri toigwanete na barabwo igoro amaene ntwabikerania ase eng'encho ntwateba ng'a otokogenda omotimoko bwa echiwiki ibere egere togende tochikoigwanana muna toigwananete because moroche ntwanya koba amo egere torore ng'aki embura yachagete gototwera toigwanane egere togendererie amang'ana aito Nyamira intwe eganga yaito nokora ng'aki Nyamira yagendereire.
We've had a morning session, the opening morning session for this session that we are starting. Yesterday we had a meeting of leaders of the County Assembly of Nyamira, around 33 members who were here yesterday in preparation for today. And we agreed in principle that because of the differences as we've been having for some time, we are going to have a short recess to provide room for mediation on the leadership wrangles that we've been having. And so this morning I've moved an adjournment motion for 2 weeks to allow a recess to create a mediation process so that we are able to sort out the leadership wrangles that we have been having as an assembly, which you all of you know very well. I'm George Murarambuga, the leader of majority of the County Assembly of Nyamira.